Hello again. Welcome again to my live streaming. So it's Real Trader Stu here. Hope you're all having a great night. I'm excited to trade this London session tonight. Very excited. So let's get it straight in the charts. Hey, so so in about 2-3 minutes, I'm allowing myself to start entering trades. So let's get set up. So currently with my account funding journey at the moment, we've got this 5k account. We've got the funded account. I was down 3% the other night. I managed to pull another 1% win. Basically, towards the end of the night, I managed to jump in on the trade just while I was watching it on my phone, and then jumped on the PC and jumped in, which is really good. We only got 0.5% left until we passed the 10k funded account challenge phase 1. So only $50 left. So yeah, super pumped for all that. But anyway, let's get started. So obviously we've got the 5k account, funded account here. So let's, I guess, start looking for trades. At the moment, it is about 2 minutes before I can start trading. So let's quickly look at the chart. So obviously on the hourly chart, we're looking at this kind of like support and resistance area here. 4 hour, we're looking bullish. 1 hour looking kind of bullish. We've got the 30-minute. Okay, I'd say that's bearish, especially if it breaks to this low. I'll be more inclined to go, okay, it's definitely a sell. On the 15-minute, I'm bearish. I can see this double top here on the 15-minute, so I can see price going down from here. We've also got on the 1 minute, it's broken all these lows. So yeah, so I am definitely bearish tonight so far, but we'll see what happens. Let's check out the news. Okay, so we've got basically no news in the way tonight, which is really, really good. Got this nice double top here on the 15-minute. Let's break a structure here. I'm still bearish, but understand that this all here is just liquidity. So it could be that, you know, price has just swept the liquidity and it wants to go up following like 4 hour structure. But right now I'm thinking bearish until maybe it breaks these highs. Yeah, she's just pumping. 4 hours quite bullish here. 1 hour is like a broke structure here on the 1 hour. So I'm still considered like kind of bearish on the 1 hour and the 30-minute. Kind of bearish. 15-minute. Like I see this double top here. 5-minute. Yeah, I'm still thinking bearish. It's a pretty decent wick, but and it's jumping straight off our support and resistance area. So yeah, we might have to flip bullish Alright, so this might just be a liquidity grab. Let's go. So that might just be money sitting here at the top here, and then price may want to just flip around, looking at the 1 minute. Yeah. So pretty mixed signals at the moment. We've got the buyers wiped out, now the sellers are wiped out. In terms of structure, right? 30-minute. Yeah, I might take a buy if there's a good reaction upwards from here, like a really good one. Let's just get this ready. So risk, stop loss, it's a bit low, $50. Buy. So I hope you're all having a good night. Feel free to ask any questions in the chat, but hope you're all doing well. Yeah, that's looking like a buy for me. What do we got here? Buys, boom, bought. All right. So reason I bought here is, we might be totally wrong. Reason I bought here is we've kind of got price has now like swept liquidity below us. Price shot up, broke this high. It's just such a decent wick on that 15-minute. We've got on the hourly. I'm kind of thinking bullish at this point, coming off this support and resistance area. That's what I'm thinking. We've also got this decent reaction off this VWAP here. So for me, that's looking like a buy. How far we're going to let this run? We're just going to go 1-to-1 as per usual. I don't know how many nights where I'll enter a trade and try and go more than 1-to-1 and I end up losing. So I'm happy for my 1-to-1s. It's a good reaction. Need to delete this VWAP off here. It's not accurate. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like I'm wrong, folks. It's a shame. I hate losing trades, but yeah, I've only got like a 60, overall about a 60% win rate, so I'm not expecting to win every single trade. What's up, TJ? How you going, man? Hopefully you popping up turns my night around. Okay, alright, let's go. This is starting to look better. That's it. I want to get a payout on this funded account. I want to try and get obviously 5 to 10%, get the payout. Jeez, anything can happen at this point with this trade. Might be one of those nights where price just continues to consolidate sideways, but we don't know what's going to go on. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping it just pumps up now. But yeah. Come on, let's get us a win. But yeah, TJ, I managed to before bed last night, I hopped on and saw a nice double top, and I just sold it and managed to make 1% back from my 3% losses last night. So I'm pretty happy. Come on, baby. If this fails, I'll probably sell in the opposite direction. Reason for that is I see a little double topping here. Yeah, exactly. And most days I start with a win. Like, yeah, normally later in the session, that's when I start to lose. Because there's nice volatility in the beginning of a session. But, yeah. It's playing with my heart right now. It's playing my heartstrings, going up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, not looking good, but I'll take the sell on that. We'll close that trade. We'll take risk, quickly go sell. Sell 50, bang. You watch, I'm probably wrong and I'll lose again. Fuck's sake. But yeah, reason why I sold there is because I can see this double top here, and obviously my buy bias failed there. Price is starting to come down. Yeah, man. When I made that 32%, I was adding to winning trades a lot, so that affects my profit on that for sure. Because when I kept adding to my winning trades and my back testing, now I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not adding to my winning trades. Yeah, let's see if we can make $50 on this one. If I lose this trade, I'll probably take a quick break, just rethink what I'm doing here. But so far, Yeah, it was just when you do a whole 3 weeks worth of trading, like back testing, it takes so long. So that's why I super speeded it. So then it wouldn't be like a 4-hour video. Like, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I was thinking I could do that. Yeah. Reason for entering this trade, I see a double top here. I see triple topping here on the 5 minute. 1, 2, 3. Triple top here. Swept the liquidity above these highs. I'm thinking price is going to go down now. I tried to take the buy option, but it just seemed like it didn't want to go. I could be completely wrong again. Just seemed to be lately. Last 2 nights, unfortunately, last night and tonight so far, I've lost a bit of confidence. Hey Smoker, how you doing, man? Thanks for joining me. Yeah, exactly. That's it. And no strategy wins all the time, right? Yeah. As soon as when I say I've lost confidence, it doesn't mean I'm not going to trade, because I've got to keep sticking to my strategy, regardless of how I feel. Like, do you know how those nights where I just feel like I wanted to move my stop loss and stuff as well? Like, obviously as a trader, you're still going to feel all these emotions, but you just don't listen to them. You just keep executing regardless, and then just, yeah. So I always try and think to myself that don't listen to your emotions. Just execute as if it's just a demo account. You don't care if you lose. That generally helps. Oh, no way, man. Look, even like, say if I blow this 5k funded account, right? You know, I'll get over it eventually. I'm not gonna cry. I'm pretty happy about my 10k funded account phase 1 Smoker. I've only got to make 0.5%, and then I've passed that. So yeah, even if somehow I blow this funded account and I don't manage to get a payout and I just have a massive string of losses, so be it. You know, I'll just buy another account, go again. But if I just keep blowing accounts, I'll have to do shitloads of back testing again. But yeah, I'm pretty confident at the moment in terms of if I just keep my emotions under control and just keep executing, I should get a payout. Oh, I wish I could trade tomorrow. The market's going to be closed tomorrow. I wish. How's all your trading been, Smoker? You been winning? Still making money? No. With funding pips, you can only trade one account at a time, which I don't mind because, you know, if you blow one account, at least you've got the other one still. Yeah. You can probably hear my toddler screaming in the background. He's trying to feed him dinner. I'm not liking our prices moving tonight. It's just like consolidating sideways a lot. I'm not used to the beginning of a session being so slow. I'm getting my meme board ready for this because I'm probably going to get axed on this trade. Hang on, where's the desktop audio sound? Have I been axed yet on that? Close. Oh, it still happens, man. If price just keeps going sideways like this, I'm just gonna have to wait for it to break out and then follow the direction after that. Because I know last night was quite consolidation-y, like it wasn't going, just wasn't moving. Last night was like that, and that's why I got fucked up. Like, where are we? This was last night. I took a sell here, but then price just went sideways for a bit. Like, this whole range was last night. It just went sideways. Did I get axed on that? Yeah, got axed. Yeah. Where's that meme thing? There it is. There it is. So I'm just going to wait for it to break out. Whether or not it goes up or down, I'm just going to wait for it to get out of this range. Because it may just keep going sideways like this tonight. And I normally find with my strategy, if price is consolidating sideways, it's very hard to win. Because you take a buy here and then it just fucking goes down. You take a sell here. We'll just see. If price breaks this high and then starts going up with momentum, then we've got something to play with. But it might just like... It might just keep doing this for a bit. Yeah, but you watch, the next one will be a winner, and I kind of need some more equity on this 5k account. I want to try and get a payout. So at the moment the win rate ratio is shit. I want to try and make some money on this thing. Yeah. So it's definitely looking like we're looking for buys tonight. I was right in the first place, but I'll just take the next entry. Alright guys, I'm just gonna eat some dinner, so I'll just close my camera for a moment. But you'll still see on the screen when I enter a trade. Yep, sure is, man. I'm fucking getting smashed tonight, man. Fuck me. It's good to have a short memory span. It has not been a good night for me tonight. Fuck me. It's like it's a 50-50 chance of winning. Yeah. Oh, look, I'm still happy to take it. If it breaks this high, I'll probably take another buy, to be honest. But, might give it one more shot. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give it one more trade and then that's it. I'll hop off for the night and take a break. I'll stick to 1%. I took that buy just based off that double bottom and the little SR that's in here. I still think the trade idea is correct. I just think maybe I bought off this as it to be like a double bottom, but it was a bit of a small one. Sometimes I find these smaller double bottoms don't seem to be as probable. I notice normally when there's a bit more of a I'll take another buy if it breaks this high. But then after that, if that loses, man, I'm definitely just going to be back testing all weekend and just trying to regain confidence again. Because if I keep losing like this, man, I need to... Every time when I have like the losing streak, I always do tons of back testing and then I come back and win heaps. It always seems to be my cycle. But it looks like it's probably going to pop. Bang. Done. Bought. Yeah. That's popping, I reckon. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, if this fails, I'll definitely hop off for the night. And I'll just be doing shitloads of back testing over the weekend. Go to the 5-minute chart. Look pretty bullish. We've got on the 15-minute. Pretty bullish. I think that should pop. Reason why I like double bottoms like this so much, where it creates a low, comes up, creates a lower low, but then shoots up, is because normally there's liquidity here. Normally when there's liquidity taken, that tells me, okay, hey, they've taken liquidity. Now they're ready to go up. So that's why I like double bottoms that actually have a lower low before they go high. Because when they take liquidity, it's like, okay, well, they must be planning to go up. Because why would they take liquidity and then create a high? That's my argument for it. Hence why when I took this sell here, there was a lower high. And then bang, it took the high and then created the lower low. So VWAP, it's like a volume weighted average price, but I generally find it's a good trade setup if, say, you got Fibonacci, right, and the Fibonacci lines up with it nicely. Like, say, it's just like a confluence, right? just like this this reasoning for entering this trade here that I'm currently in is the little SR here on the 5 minute, like that, support resistance, but then also structure, but then also we've got a double bottom. So I'm just looking for like multiple reasons to enter a trade. And I'm trying to look at the higher time frames and just try and gauge, okay, where do I think price is going to go on the higher time frames? Like this here, it looks like price created a low and then created a low, swept liquidity here and then swept liquidity here, like swept the stop losses out, and then now price may continue on higher. I just try and look at places where, oh hey, have they taken liquidity? Like I try and look for where stop losses have been taken out, and then okay, we're going to go this direction. You know, I might even be able to hold for a bit longer, looking how bullish these candles are. Like I'm not getting a single black candle here. We got, if looking at this, I think price will at least break this high before looking at going down. Because I always look like, yeah, that's beautiful, that's nice. Bullish candle action. That's what I like to see. Very nice. Yeah, that was a nice trade. I think with this double bottom, I read too close into it. I think that's still a double bottom off that SR. But it was a bit of a small one. I wasn't wrong, it just, they wanted to use that to induce buyers and then take out the buyers and then go up, yeah. Just give me a moment, just finishing off my dinner, almost done. Alright, we back, baby. We back. Get that money. It's just disappointing that I took a couple of losses earlier. But now that we've got a clear direction in the night, it's much more probable if we just keep looking for buys that will win. So, okay, where are we looking to buy from? We've got an SR here. That's the SR, like a little SR here. We got liquidity sitting up here. We got so I'm pretty damn bullish now. At least we have a clearer direction of where we want to go tonight. Looking at VWAPs, like obviously we got the VWAP here, so we might not get any VWAP trades tonight, but if we go like 1700, both the anchored and the standard VWAP are lining up. So eventually, like say if price comes down to here and the VWAP's here as well, it's just gives us some extra confidence to look for another buy. But yeah, I was very tempted to keep holding that because I saw nothing but bullish candles, but there's been so many nights where I think something's going to happen and then it just goes 1-to-1. Yeah, so I was right about that support and resistance in here. Well, this is the next kind of spot that we think. Hey, Fax, how you doing, man? Yeah, too many. So we got a nice win here, but we took a loss here, and we took a loss in here. We've taken too many losses tonight. And we got a nice and decent win off here. That's about it. So not looking the best tonight, but I'm feeling confident. We'll rebound. Yeah, I know, but this is the funded account. I want to get a payout. Okay, I'll have a look. What kind of time frame you trade, but because if you're thinking short term, depends if you trade SMC, right? If you're thinking short term, 15-minute, then like say the swing side of things on the 15-minute, that would be like my swing structure. Yeah, sure. So what was my confluence in entering this trade long on the 1 minute? My confluence was there was an SR level here. There was a double bottom here. And what I like about this double bottom is it swept the low, previous low. And then, yeah. If I was looking for Euro USDs trades, I'd be looking for a sell around here on the, see that? Something like that. But that's if you're trading like supply and demand zones, right? If you're trading like ICT style, you can can start looking for fair value gaps and stuff. But yeah, but super short term, like if I was trading the 1 minute chart on this, I'd be thinking bullish, kind of. Like that. Somewhere around here. I mainly look at support and resistance now these days too. Like those kind of levels as well. Like say when I'm looking at the DAX, right, I had like a level in here that it reacted well off of. That level there, that gap. See that gap? And then price reacts straight off the gap. And then price uses this high then and the gap high to come back and bounce off of. Yeah, well, I'm bearish looking at the 15 minute on the euro, looking at the swing structure anyway, on the like internal swing structure. Obviously on the 4 hour it's now, yeah, on the 4 hour obviously it's created that chock and all that. So, and then in terms of like premium or discount or whatever, you're in the premium. So you're looking for sells. So if I was trading this right now, I'd be looking for sells. If you're trading Photon, right, or like SMC. If you're trading 1 minute, you might even, yeah, do like an anchor VWAP. Doesn't even work. Just depends what TJ's strategy is. But if you're trading SMC like Photon or whatever, you're definitely looking for sells, that's for sure. Like 4 hour structure's bullish, broke the high and then started breaking down. $15-minute swing structure bearish. It's in the premium of the 15-minute swing structure as well. Once it breaks this low, you're even looking more and more high probability that you're looking for sells. As soon as it breaks this low, then you're definitely looking for sells off this zone here. It's just like the DAX, right, where I'm kind of bullish on the DAX, because even though like overall the 4 hours like super bearish, it's now created a chock here on the DAX, and then it's created a an internal breaker structure towards the upside on the DAX. So now we should be looking for buys on the 15-minute. Yeah. Oh, nice. Well, I think 5k funded accounts are a good idea. I've gotten over $1,000 payout off a 5k funded account. So you risk $50, but you can make over $1,000 straight off that 5k account. So it's nothing to sneeze at. And it's good while you're like still trying to get better and better at your trading. Yeah, well, I'm definitely going for the 10k account now. It only took me one try to pass the 5k. I passed it super quick. But that was just disgusting. I was like 80% win rate and stuff. Like, I just had a good streak. So I'm kind of looking for a buy here. Price shoots up. Reason for that is I got a little SR here. What's the handle? We've got... Yeah. Yeah, what I'm doing is... Yeah, I'm looking for buys, but... What I'm doing is 5k account, and then once I pass that, which I did in one go, I go, okay, I'm going to go for a 10k account. But if I just kept failing the challenges, then I was just going to fucking change my strategy or backtest it some more, but... So that's what I'm aiming for in terms of a trade if it just keeps pumping up. Something like that. So I'm looking for the break of this high here. If it gives it to me. Yeah, me too. I can't wait to trade 100k. It's going to be good shit. Oh fuck, I pressed buy a bit early there, but anyway, that worked out. I'm not liking that. Not a good reaction. Oh, what the fuck's that? Look at that. On my German 30, it didn't show I broke my stop loss, and then this it did. What a fucking scam that is. Oh well, it's probably gonna lose now anyway. Nah, but I may re-enter if it passes this line again. One more loss, and then I'm off. Then I'll stop trading this account tonight. Because I don't have much left to risk on the account for tonight. But yeah, if it breaks this high again, I'll enter again. But yeah, that's bullshit. It shouldn't have stopped me out. That's fucking bullshit. What scams? But anyway, if it wins right. Yeah, no, I just got fucking scammed. They took out my low on here, but then on here they didn't. But we'll see. This trade looks like it was going to lose anyway. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like the trade was going to lose anyway. That's alright. So yeah, my last little hope is somewhere around here is looking good with all these VWAPs and this SR. $17,700 is looking like a good area to look for a buy. So you got a handle there as well. A handle is like if people don't know what a handle is like a whole number. A lot of banks and institutions will be like, oh, let's buy at 17,700. So yeah, so I'm looking for a buy roughly around here somewhere. It's a bit messy here. If I see like a clearer double bottom, I'll probably look for a buy. But I might just for my next trade, I might actually just do the 10k account and just get that 0.5% over the line. That way the phase one's passed of the 10k account. Let's get that passed today, I reckon. If I at least get that passed today, I'll feel better about myself. So let's focus on that, I think. I'll swap over to that. Get that 10k account done. That way I can start phase 2 on that. No, it's just... I think the reason why I'm getting views, man, is just... because most traders are bullshit and they all don't actually trade live. And I post every day. Like I'm live trading every day now. So I think that's why people are watching. But yeah, well, not tonight. Too many losses tonight, man. They should all come back when I'm having a green run. When I'm just fucking having nothing but wins, but yeah, we'll see. I'll wait until I get some payouts first. It'd be funny. Abdullah would just be like interviewing me right now and be like, "So you trade the 1 minute chart and you've been losing lately?" Not really. I bought his course, the Viper Room. It's shit. Didn't learn shit from it. What their strategy is look for equal highs and then sell at a demand zone at those equal highs. Or equal lows. They look for equal highs and equal lows, and then they look for liquidity to be... Abdullah's... Hang on. I might be thinking about the wrong trader. Hang on, let me look up. Yeah, Abdullah... Oh, yeah, that guy. Yep. Abdullah Rashid, yep. I was actually going to buy his course at one point. But it just seems scammy. I don't know. But yeah, words of wisdom was crap, man. To be honest, Photon had a similar thing where they had like looking for equal highs and equal lows to be taken out, and then hitting like a demand zone or supply zone. But when you actually trade that in the live market, it's not that probable. Like, yeah. Have you tried his course? But do you use any of his trading stuff, but? Yeah, exactly. Well, that's what happened with me. This is why I trade this way. Like I still use some of the stuff I'm taught. Like my brain still looks at all the SMC stuff. My brain still looks at even all the fair, because sometimes even fair value gaps can work out well, but yeah, this strategy is kind of like a chimera of a whole bunch of things I've got taught, and it's very close to a strategy that was taught to me by that Australian prop firm I keep talking about. But I even noticed with that Australian prop firm that I've signed up for, they'll use a bit more indicators, and I kind of found when I actually back tested everything, there was quite a few indicators and stuff that just weren't for me. Like, for example, the moving averages. Like looking for trades off the moving averages. Like, yeah, okay, maybe you might take a buy off this 50 here, but yeah, it just changes on every time frame. That's what I don't like about it. And I don't like using moving averages in general. I just find them to be lower probability than, like, say, a double top or a double bottom. Or the VWAP. What I like about the VWAP is it's the same on all time frames. See how, like, on the 15 minutes, there's the VWAP. Oh, well, it's very close. You know what I mean? Like on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So when traders are trading, you know, when they're looking at the chart, the VWAP's pretty much the same on all time frames. So that's why I like that better than, say, like a moving average. You can also get into like machine learning, right? Machine learning is this little line here. Like as price goes up, you buy off here, buy off that green line, and then when price goes down, you sell off that red line. But you kind of notice as price goes sideways, you just get chopped up and lose money. So I don't like the machine learning that much either. But yeah, my next trade, I'm going to do that 10k account. What I do like about what is happening right now with price is shooting up, spiking up. And then, yeah, price is spiking up, but then it's like slowly grinding down like this. Gives me more hope that price is just going to keep shooting up, but I was hoping price would come down here. I'll take a buy straight off this area here, because for me, I've got a handle which is 17,700. I've also got my VWAPs. I've also got the support and resistance area. And then if you're into Fibonacci's, basically the 50%. A little bit. But what I find is the biggest indicator for me to get like constant win streaks is just getting the direction right. And sometimes it's very hard to... Sometimes even if you got the direction right, you still get fucked and stopped out like what we had here. Some nights it's very clean and you can get like 5 wins in a row. And then other nights it's like you win half your trades, you lose half your trades, and it's just... It's fucked. The more volatile the night, the better, in my opinion. Every time when it's really volatile or really trending, it's like, I'm very happy. My strategy works much better then. But yeah, when price goes sideways like this, I get fucking chopped up. look at the footsie. Oh man, look at the footsie, man. Look, came straight to my VWAP, double bottom. Look at that double bottom. Bang, enter, win. Nice little trade there. And look at, see how it didn't even make any other entries except that? Maybe I should be trading the footsie, but anyway. But this is just fucking around. A consolidation. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's like, it comes here. Yeah. You could argue there's another SR here from this high. And as price came here, it bounces off that. Came up here, hit it, bounced off of it, came down. And then we're just battling. Other than that, there's no real...
Window.
Hello, buddy. How you doing?
Window.
Hey, buddy.
Window.
Yeah, window.
Just to hold you.
Yeah, that'll hold you, mate. Hello. Hello. Did you have a shower? We got a guest. Hey? Sorry, mate. Go to mummy. Come here, buddy. Come sit on dada. That's it. Hey, calm down. Ah, hey, look, aircon remote. You wanna play with that? That's it. Yeah, so I'll go into that smoker. So yeah, so what I do for a living is I'm a tradie. So I install like power points and light switches, and I'm an electrician.
Lilo.
Yeah, and then I pay for this little one to eat. Yeah,
It's a remote.
that's right. It's an aircon remote.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep.
You wanna go get Daddy a Coke? Get Dad a Coke?
Did you go?
Yeah, you gonna go get me a Coke?
Did you go?
Give me a Coke?
Yeah, too.
No, he's not getting me a Coke. Alright, give me a second, fellas. I'm just gonna turn off my camera and the mic for a second, and I'm just gonna try and get this little one to bed. Thanks, guys. I'll be right back. Like 2 minutes, promise. Alright, beautiful people, appreciate your patience. I've got my Coke now. Let's do this. Let's win some trades. So price is looking a little bit... See how choppy this price action is on the DAX? Was this footsie... I'll stick to the DAX for now for a bit, but I'm not really seeing any trades set up yet. But we'll get there. So I guess the issue with this leg here, there was like a double bottom here that we took in terms of a trade, but then price just kind of struggled around for a bit, and then yeah, never really gave us another entry. But yeah, we are thinking bullish, so I'm definitely looking for buys. I just need a good good reason to jump in. So is anyone in any trades right now? Does anyone want me to look at any other pairs? Just while I'm waiting for this to kind of wake up. Like looking at the price action, it's very choppy and crappy. So I'm hoping like volatility will improve somehow. So yeah, we're just trying to stay very patient here, folks. Sometimes trading is just like this. I'm trading the 1 minute chart. I'm basically doing one of the most quickest trading strategies you can use in just trading the 1 minute chart, and even then I still feel like we have to be patient. So yeah, if anyone else has any questions for me, please feel free, or if anyone wants me to look at any of the other pairs, I'm getting pretty bored, but appreciate your patience. I'm still keen to live stream for another hour, maybe an hour and a half. I'm gonna try and pass this 10k phase 1 challenge tonight, just off one trade, and then I'm gonna try and redeem this 5k account because we're getting fucking smashed on this thing. We've got a 25% win ratio on this fucking funded account, but then on the 10k account, what do we got here? We've got like an 80% win ratio. It's a joke. It's not fair. Yeah, we'll see. I'm almost tempted to do some back testing just while we're waiting for a trade. Alright guys, I might take a 5 minute break and start another live stream in a little bit once the trade actually sets up. Because yeah, I might muck around, play some games on my phone or something, waiting for a trade to start, and then I'll open the live stream again. Appreciate your time.